My dear students, today we must discuss an important discovery in modern health. Recent research suggests that women who take hormone replacement therapy in their 60s may have a higher risk of developing dementia in their 70s. This is not to cause fear, but to bring awareness. Hormones influence the body in many ways, and every woman's journey is unique. If you are considering hormone replacement therapy, speak with a trusted doctor and weigh the benefits and risks carefully. Your brain health is precious. Beyond medical treatments, lifestyle plays a vital role. Healthy food, movement, and mindfulness can protect the mind. Nature has given us many tools to support longevity and well-being. Remember, wisdom is not in fear but in understanding. Stay informed, stay balanced, and take care of your health with awareness and intention. Until next time, be well, be mindful, and live with purpose. Go to avidasana.com to order your health supplement today.